everybody! Today's lesson we are going to talk about the seasons. So I have a short story for us and then we're going to do an art project. Seasons by Helen Stanley. Winter, spring, summer, and fall. These parts of the year are called seasons. In Farrah's town, each season has a different weather. As you read, look closely to see the seasons' changes. Winter is cold in Farrah's town. Snow covers the ground. Farrah brings gloves when she plays outside. What do you think Farrah is building? Well, let's look at this winter picture. We see that she's cold, so what does she wear when it's cold out? She has a hat, she has gloves, a jacket, a scarf, and boots. There's snow, so to me she's making a snowman. In Farrah's town, spring is mild. It's not too hot and not too cold. Leaves and flowers are around. What does the wind carry high in the sky? During the spring, she's no longer in her winter clothes. She has a rain jacket and rain boots. And up in the sky, she's flying a kite. There are also flowers in the springtime. Farrah's town is hot during the summer. People wear light clothes. How is Farrah keeping cool? When they say she's wearing light clothes, that means she doesn't need a jacket or a hat or a scarf. She can wear a tank top and shorts or a bathing suit. How does she keep cool? She's cooling off in the pool. Fall is cool in Farrah's town. The leaves turn bright colors before they drop. What is Farrah doing? Well, let's see. She's holding a rake and the leaves are falling off the tree, so she's raking up a pile of leaves. Do you know why every season in Farrah's town has different weather? It's because Earth tilts or tips to one side as it circles the sun. This picture shows Earth in each season. So here's the sun, and this is how the Earth tilts in the fall, and then it changes during the summer, during the spring, and the winter. So that's why we have the different seasons in the year. Look closely. The part of Earth where Farrah lives is tilting toward the sun. That means there is spring and summer. That's right here, spring and summer. And here's Farrah's town. So as the sun faces this side of the world, of the earth, it is spring and summertime. This picture, look closely. The part of Earth where Farrah lives is tilting away from the sun. See how it's on the other side? It's not on the sun side. That means there is fall and winter. So right here we have where she lives is facing the sun for spring and summer. And here where she lives is away from the sun, so she has fall and winter. Farrah visits her grandma in the winter. The earth doesn't tilt as much where her grandma lives, so the weather there doesn't change as much. It is warm in the winter. What are your seasons like? Well, it looks like her grandma is living where we live in Florida, and we don't get much changes in our seasons. The end. Now we are going to do our art project.